A salesperson will earn a commission equal to 1/32 of the total sales. What is the commission earned on sales totaling $24,000? When it says of, that means to multiply. So 1/32 times 24,000. So 24 and 32 both have factors of 8. 8 goes into 32 4 times, and 8 goes into 24 3 times. So that gives us 3,000. Both of those are even, so I can take a 2 out. 2 goes into 4 2 times, and 2 goes into 3,000 1,500 times. But they're both even too, so I can do it again. And then half of 1,500 is 750. So, $750 is his commission earned. DeMarcus says that the store overcharged him on the price of the video game he bought. He thought the price was marked a fourth of the original price, but it was really a fourth off the original price. He misread the advertisement. If the original price of the game was $48, what's the difference between the price DeMarcus thought he should pay and the price the store charged him? So let's do of and off. So on the of side, a fourth of 48 means multiply. 48 has a factor of 4 in it. 4 goes into 4 one time, and 4 goes into 48 12 times. So he thought that he should pay $12. A fourth off means that we get to take 1/4 from the total, which would be 4/4. So he's really going to pay for 3/4 of the amount. So that would be a 1 and a 12, and 12 times 3 is 36. Another way you could think of a fourth off is, well, a fourth of 48 is 12. So if we take that off, 8 minus 2 is 6, 4 minus 1 is 3. So we get the same thing. So the difference between those two, between 36 and 12, is $24 difference.